Components have a network of branches across the UK, also known as RS Locals. We have a local face of RS and we offer same-day or next working day delivery on a range of products. We are there to offer the bespoke, value-added services which truly save time and money for our customers. So one of the services we offer is consolidated deliveries. You as a customer, you process multiple orders during the day and receive multiple parcels. At the RS Locals, we consolidate the parcels together and you receive them in one shipment. This is a massive time saving to a customer because it means we consolidate the parts together, you receive one shipment, so that means for putting away it saves a significant amount of time. We also offer a tote delivery service which eradicates packaging and it's great for green, environmentally friendly customers like yourself.
B. Hepworth & Company was established in 1868. We're the world's leading manufacturer of windscreen wiper systems for the rail and marine industries. We supply to 55 different countries from our UK Redditch-based site. The major issue that we previously had is that we had to stock a large range of electronic components. So the stock holding was expensive for us. We then had to organise those kits and organise them on the workbench, and all of this was a very, very inefficient process. We developed a new solution in partnership with RS, whereby RS kit a smaller amount of controllers into a compartmentalised suitcase. They quality check them and it's all labelled up in one small package. That package then comes into us, it goes straight to the workbench and we're able to open the package and start working straight away in manufacturing our controllers. It saved us an enormous amount of time, organisation, and we don't have to hold any of that stock anymore. The empty container, when we finish producing those controllers, is then sent back to RS, and that's the signal for them to refill and send the product back to us, so it operates on a proper Kanban basis.
We also offer a stock holding solution. This is where you as a customer call off your products as and when you require them. This service is great for you as a customer, particularly when you've got limited capacity in your warehouse, and it also guarantees that same day or next working day delivery. We hold the stock for you, you call off as and when you require it, also frees up working capital because you don't have to pay for the goods all in one go, you only pay for them as and when you call them off.
The items that we purchase from RS extend beyond electrical components. We take pneumatic components, mechanical, PPE and many other items. These are available to us on a next day service basis, and in some instances we can have same day service in the event of an emergency or really urgent order. It's a full service and key supply route for us.